to my channel. And if you are new, hi, I'm V and I do videos on hair makeup reviews and tutorials. Welcome to the third and final portion of this hair transformation that I've been undergoing. This has been quite the adventure. I haven't dyed my hair blonde in a very long time. So basically let me run through what the whole thing was with this transformation. So the first step was bleaching my hair. I just got it overall to be lifted all together. It was super brassy, really orange. I felt really uncomfortable walking outside after bleaching my hair. The second portion was adding lowlights and blending my roots. After I did my lowlights, I tried the Wella T10 toner and I didn't really like the outcome. I didn't like how it was still kind of brassy. I don't think my hair was quite light enough yet to do the full effect of the T10. So I end up going back and doing a little bit more bleaching, a little bit more lowlights, and this is what we have now. It's still a little bit of the Wella T10, but also the hair dye that I used that kind of like bled through my hair and did a little bit of work in itself to make it a little bit ashy. But for the most part, if I were to look at it, the Wella T10 is pretty much what I have here. This could be okay depending on what you're looking for, but it was a little bit still too warm and that wasn't really what I was looking for. So that's basically what the Wella T10 looked like on my head. I wasn't too big of a fan. So basically I went back to my hair, did a lot more work to it, and now I think it is ready for the next step. Today I'm going to be doing the Wella Color Charm T10. Looks like it's more of like an ashy neutral type of blonde, so I think that should take care of the remaining brassiness that we have going on in this section. So really excited to be partnering up with Wella to be doing this hair transformation today. Their products have always been my favorite. I can always rely on them. I'm still learning how to do my own hair, so sometimes it doesn't work out because it's my own fault. It's a whole process of doing things. So today we're gonna be using the Wella T10 and seeing how that works on my hair. So enough chit chat, let's get toning. This is what we're looking at. So yeah, this is how the hair all turned out. I still have my highlights and my lowlights. Everything is there. It's just more of a smoother transition. A really big thank you to Wella for doing this collaboration with me and also for inspiring me to do this insane, crazy hair transformation. Had such a blast doing this. I'm so excited to be back to blonde because if you guys are familiar with my channel, I'm actually normally blonde, but my hair used to be longer. So what do you guys think? Does this blonde hair suit me? Does it work? What kind of vibes am I giving off now that I'm a blonde? Please let me know in the comment section below what you guys think. Do you use Wella Color Charm toners? Have they been working for you? I hope you guys like this video and that you enjoyed this hair transformation series. Please remember to like and subscribe and ring that bell for notifications on my future videos. Also, my Instagram is v_Vogue and I will see you in my next videos. Bye!